How are you all? I hope that you are fine. Now, as I have promised you that very soon I'm going to make the video for degrees of comparison, because you know that nowadays many network issues are coming now. So that is why whatever I want to convey or whatever I want to impart, that is not reaching you. So that is why only I have decided to make this small video just for the understanding purpose for yours. Okay, because it's a very important topic. ये बहुत ज़्यादा important topic है, ठीक है. And some days some other students were also there who could not join the classes. Okay, so for them also I am making this video. Okay, so let us start. What is degrees of comparison? Now, as I was taking that Zoom lectures, many like questions were coming like what is degree क्या होती है. So first of all let me explain that and then we'll go to the main topic. Okay, so first of all what is degree? So degree is nothing but the form only beta. Like देखो, when we were learning or when you were like I am teaching you what are the tenses or what your teachers were teaching you what are the tenses. तो tenses जब हम पढ़ रहे थे, so what we were doing, हम क्या कर रहे थे बेटा? तो we were using the different forms of the verbs by speaking the sentences who were in different tenses. जैसे कि हम लोग जब जैसे आप टेंसेस पढ़ते थे, तो जब आप सिंपल टेंस पढ़ते होंगे या सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस और सिंपल पास्ट टेंस, तो जब सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस पढ़ते हो तो आप बोलते हो आई गो टू स्कूल एवरी डे, मैं रोज़ स्कूल जाता हूँ या जाती हूँ. बट व्हेन you would say or if you would like to say the same sentence into a past tense, जब आप इसको past tense में बोलोगे तो आप बोलोगे I went to the school yesterday. Yes, am I right or wrong? Yes. So here what you have done, आप जब सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में बोलोगे तो यू विल यूज गो एज अ वर्ब because you are using the simple present tense. But if you say it into the past tense, you would say went because you have converted the verb from simple present tense to पास्ट टेंस. जब आप पास्ट टेंस में कन्वर्ट करते हो तो हमारे वर्ड्स और सेंटेंसेस भी बदल जाते हैं ना. जैसे अगर आप इसको ट्रांसलेशन में बोलोगे तो व्हाट यू वुड से, क्या बोलोगे आप? दैट मैं स्कूल जा रहा हूँ और जाता हूँ, हर रोज़ मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ. और जब आप इसको पास्ट टेंस में बोलोगे तब क्या बोलोगे? मैं कल स्कूल गया था और मैं कल स्कूल गई थी. सो दिस वे यू आर like we can say that changing the translations also. So whenever we are using the different kinds of sentence to say or to convey the messages, we are using the different forms of the verbs. So just like the same, whenever we are comparing different things, accordingly we are using the forms or the degrees of comparison for the adjectives. Okay, तो ये होता है डिग्री. जब आप टेंसेस में यूज़ करते हो तो आप वर्ब फॉर्म चेंज करते हो, लेकिन जब आप डिग्री यूज़ करोगे तो आप डिग्री के फॉर्म भी चेंज करोगे. सो हियर वी आर गोइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द डिग्रीज ऑफ कंपैरिजन. ओके, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस डिग्री इज देयर. सो हियर द सिंपल एग्जांपल आई हैव गिवन और हैव ट्राइड टू गिवन यू. ठीक है, बहुत सिंपल एग्जांपल मैंने देने की कोशिश की है. देखो हियर यू कैन सी द पिक्चर. यहाँ पे आपको पिक्चर दिख रहा है ना? येस. सो व्हाट द पिक्चर इज लाइक सजेस्टिंग यू. ये पिक्चर आपको क्या दिखा रहा है? देखो, अ स्मॉल बर्ड इज देयर, देन स्मॉलर इज देयर एंड लास्टली द स्मॉलेस्ट इज देयर. सो हियर 3 काइंड्स ऑफ डिग्री ऑफ कंपैरिजन इज देयर. 3 तरह का डिग्री है. वन इज द स्मॉल, दैट इज द मेन थिंग. Smaller, here er is there after the word or after an adjective, and in the last one that b is there. So for that b we have used the adjective smallest. Now how it works, तो पहले मैं आपको सिर्फ इतना समझाना चाहती हूँ that the first thing is in the positive degree because a small is there, only adjective small has been used, means it is positive degree. Second one, in second one, that is comparative degree, we have added er after the adjective. And in the last one, that is in superlative degree, the est had been added after the adjective. ठीक है, तो जो मेन फॉर्म होता है जहाँ पे कोई कंपैरिजन नहीं है, ओनली वहाँ पे कुछ ऐड करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, दैट इज द पॉजिटिव डिग्री. In comparative degree, you are supposed to add er after the adjective, and in superlative degree, you are supposed to add est after the adjective. Now, why we are making these changes? ये हम changes क्यों कर रहे हैं? Let's see that into the next slide. देखो, here some of the examples has been given to you. Okay, I have just given the like rough examples only. Like angry, तो in comparative it will become angrier because IER will be added. अभी वहाँ पे वो वाला रूल आएगा बेटा जो हमने प्लूरल में पढ़ा था कि whenever y will be there in singular, while making it into the plural you have to delete y, and in place of that you are going to add ies for the plural. But as we are studying these degrees, that is the comparative degree, whenever y will be there at the end of the word, you are going to delete y and you are going to add ier. Okay, that is angrier. IER will be added, and angriest, IEST will be added in superlative. Okay, so here also BIG, big is there. Now here also the second rule will be applied कि whenever the word is ending with consonant but before consonant the vowel is there. देखो in big में देखो last G is the consonant but before consonant vowel is there, that is I. So whenever the vowel will be there before the consonant, like we are talking about the last two letters only, आगे के consonants है vowels है वो देखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, we are talking about the last two words only. If the last two words will be the consonant and vowel in this manner, then the last word, that is the consonant word, will be going to be doubled, means is going to be डबल मीन्स आपको दो बार लिखना पड़ेगा. तो बिगर का स्पेलिंग क्या बनेगा बेटा? BI GER, एज आई इज देयर बिफोर दैट बी के सामने क्या है? आई है. इट इज अ वोवेल. तो जब भी आपको ऐसा वाला वर्ड दिखाई दे तो यू आर गोइंग टू डबल द लास्ट लेटर ओनली. ओके, व्हाट इज द लास्ट लेटर इज देयर इन दैट बिग? तो G is there, so we are going to write BIGGER. Same in the superlative degree also, BIGGEST, biggest, this way. Okay, now busy. So here BUSY, Y is there, so we are going to delete Y. In place of Y you are going to add IER or IEST. Bigger, sorry, busy, busier, busiest. Okay, cheap, cheaper, cheapest. Okay, this way. Now here देखो one exception is there कि here in the spelling अभी आप बोलोगे मैम P is the consonant and before that vowel A is there. Okay, but here that rule has not applied. Okay, many exceptions are also there where your rule cannot be applied. जहाँ पे आपका जो rule है ना कि हमको डबल करना पड़ेगा वो अप्लाई नहीं हो रहा है. ठीक है, तो ये चीप में याद रखना, चीप इज एन एक्सेप्शन टू दैट रूल वेयर आवर रूल ऑफ डबलिंग द लेटर इज नॉट अप्लाइंग. Okay, chalo, now dirty is there, so dirty will become dirtier and dirtiest, fast will become faster and fastest. Here also that rule is not applying. Then near become nearer and nearest, here also the rule is not applying. Old will become older and oldest. Okay, chalo, now here the kinds of comparison has been given to you. So I have already told you how many types of comparisons are there. So 3 types of comparison are there. First is positive, second is comparative, and third is the superlative degree. Okay, now we are going to see like there are 3 types of degrees of comparison. First is the positive degree, second is the comparative degree, and third is the superlative degree. One by one we are going to learn them. Okay, chalo, let us see what is positive degree. पहले समझने की कोशिश करते हैं what is positive degree. So we use the positive degree when we speak about only one person or a thing. Whenever we are speaking about only one person or a thing, it is called positive degree. Like the house is a big, this flower is beautiful. Okay, so here no comparison is there. We are talking about only a one thing, that is in first example only we are talking about a flower, sorry, a house, and in the second example only we are talking about a flower. We are not talking about any other things. Means we are not comparing these things. We are not comparing neither house nor flower. हम ना हाउस को कंपेयर कर रहे हैं, फ्लावर को कंपेयर कर, वी सिंपली सेइंग दैट दिस हाउसेज आर बिग एंड दिस फ्लावर इज ब्यूटीफुल. दैट इज इट. वी आर नॉट कंपेयरिंग देम विथ ईच अदर. दे आर द टू डिफरेंट एग्जाम्पल्स. ये दोनों डिफरेंट एग्जाम्पल्स है बेटा. आई हैव नॉट कंपेयर्ड with them with any other example. Okay, so here I have given two examples. This houses are big and this flower is beautiful. Just simple. Okay, so when we can use positive degree, or what is an identification of positive degree? So it is very easy. Whenever no comparison has been made in the sentence, whenever the adjective is there in its regular form or in first form, then we will be calling it positive degree sentence. So what is the definition for the same? Whenever no comparison is there, then we can use positive degree. So many examples is there. I am a tall lady, you are such a pretty girl, this bottle is very big, my phone is a smartphone, my teacher is a nice person. So many examples are there. Here we are using the adjectives into the first form only. We are not adding er, we are not adding est. Simple sentences are there, so we can call it as positive degree. You got it, beta? Okay, whenever we are using the simple examples or simple things, we are not making any comparison, it is called positive degree. Now let us move to the next one, that is comparative adjective. Now what is comparative adjective? Let us see. We use comparative adjective when we are comparing two things that you have to remember, that you must have to remember. आपको ये याद ही रखना पड़ेगा that in comparative adjectives we are comparing two different things or two different nouns. आई बात समझ में? We use comparative adjectives to compare people. We might talk about how a friend has changed. That is an example only. देखो in this example, Martha is much friendlier than she was when we were at school. मतलब यहाँ पे नो डॉट्स अ कॉम्प्लेक्स वन, बट आई वॉन्ट टू आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन द सेम सेंटेंस ऑल्सो, कि जब हम स्कूल में पढ़ते थे उससे भी ज़्यादा अभी मार्था बहुत फ्रेंडलियर है. ठीक है, सो ये देखो टू आइडेंटिफिकेशंस आर देयर. फ्रेंडली इज द मेन और द पॉजिटिव फॉर्म ऑफ द एडजेक्टिव, friendly. And when we will say friendlier, means देखो er is there in the sentence, it means it is in comparative degree. And THAN then has been given in the sentence, it also means it's a comparative degree or it is a comparative form of an adjective or the sentence. आई बात समझ में? So here also two comparisons are there. Here the behavior of the Martha has been compared. पहले का बिहेवियर और अब का बिहेवियर, मतलब अब जो वो जब स्कूल में थी तब का बिहेवियर और अभी का बिहेवियर. सो देयर इज अ कंपैरिजन बिटवीन टू. ओके, पहले का और अब का, बिफोर एंड नाउ द कंपैरिजन इज लाइक दैट. Okay, so here also we are comparing the two behaviors of Martha. No doubt Martha's behavior only we are comparing, but here also we are comparing according to the time. Ki when we were at school, then the behavior of the Martha was different. No doubt Martha was not that much familiar or friendly that time, but now Martha is much friendlier than she was when we were in school. So this way the comparison has been made. Like let's look the second one. Okay, so we often use then, THAN, then with comparative adjectives. Okay, here some another example is there. Carlos is taller than Jamie. Here the by mistake that has been print. यहाँ पे by mistake that print हो चुका है, but you have to remember it is not that, it is THAN then. Carlos is taller than Jamie. Okay, so this way. So here देखो two identifications are there. er is there after an adjective and than then is there. Okay, देखो if you are having that printed pdf form or printed, अगर आपने इस pdf की print निकाली है ना बेटा, so just make the changes. Okay, that वाला delete करके you just write than then. Okay, so here देखो two comparisons are there, कार्लोस एंड जैमे. तो यहाँ पे हमने कार्लोस और जैमे को एक दूसरे के साथ कंपेयर किया है एंड वी आर सेइंग लाइक Carlos is taller than Jaime. Okay, आई बात समझ में बेटा. So this way we can make the comparison in comparative degree. Okay, so compare. What is the line you have to remember in comparative degree? So first of all you have to remember that whenever two people or two nouns are compared with each other, it is called comparative degree. What we are using? We are using er form of that adjective. Even we are writing than then का मतलब उससे भी ज़्यादा. यहाँ पे ऐसे होगा कि जैमे से ज़्यादा कार्लोस टॉल है, मतलब ऊंचा है. जैमे से ज़्यादा कौन ऊंचा है? कार्लोस ऊंचा है. So this way we are making the comparison. Okay, so it is called comparative degree. Like we can say that the ant is smaller than the elephant. We are comparing ant and elephant with each other. ant साइज में छोटी सी होती है, एलिफेंट तो कितना बड़ा होता है. तो हम ऐसे बोल सकते हैं ना कि एंट एलिफेंट से छोटी होती है. ओके, या तो फिर द एंट इज स्मॉलर देन द एलिफेंट और द एलिफेंट इज बिगर देन द ant. So this way we are comparing two things with each other. So whenever two comparisons will be there, whenever two nouns is being compared with each other, it is called comparative degree or the comparative adjectives. Okay, let us move to the next one. Now देखो the rule is there कि add er. Okay, आपको er add करना पड़ेगा. Then if the drop y, add er. If y will be there at the end, then you have to drop it. You have to drop y को निकाल के you have to write IER and THAN then is compulsory in comparative form of the adjective. Okay, then the third one C plus V plus C means, देखो here if between two consonants one vowel is there, between two consonant one vowel is there, then you have to double the word. मतलब जब दो consonants के बीच में if the vowel is there, देखो in the last one FAT fat, तो F and T both are the consonants but between them A is there and A is the vowel, so that is why only we have double the letter. BIG big is there. Okay, so in BIG big also B and G both are the consonant and between the consonant one vowel is there, so we have doubled the letter G. So this way you have to remember. Now if देखो ये वाले रूल की मैं बात कर रही थी बेटा कि सम ऑफ द एडजेक्टिव्स आर देयर फॉर विच द कंपैरेटिव फॉर्म ऑफ ER इज नॉट पॉसिबल. लाइक ब्यूटीफुल इज देयर, तो ब्यूटीफुल का बेटा ब्यूटीफुलर कभी भी नहीं होता है. डेंजरस इज देयर, सो डेंजरस का भी डेंजरर और डेंजर ऐसे कभी नहीं होता है. तो for that what we have to do, we have to add more before the adjective. Now here beautiful is an adjective, तो more beautiful and then is the compulsory, वो तो लिखना ही पड़ेगा. तो more beautiful, then more dangerous, then more careful, then more we can say that other examples are also there. Okay, helpful, then more helpful, more careful, more beautiful. So this way you have to add more before the adjective if ER form of the adjective is not possible. Okay, some of the adjectives are there in which ER form is not possible, so that time you have to add more, MORE, more before the adjective. पहले आपको more लिखना पड़ेगा, then you have to write the adjective, that is whatever beautiful, careful, helpful, whatever is there, and then after that you have to add THAN there. Okay, even some irregular forms are also there like bed. तो bed में क्या होगा, ER is also not possible, MORE, more is also not possible. So in that what we are going to do, we are going to remember the another comparative form only. Like good will become better, bad will become worse. गुड का गुडर या मोर गुड नहीं होता है, तो उस टाइम पे क्या करेंगे, उस टाइम पे वी आर गोइंग टू चेंज द फॉर्म ऑफ द एडजेक्टिव. सो गुड विल बिकम बेटर, bad will become worse. So these 5 rules you have to remember. Okay, chalo, let us move to the next slide. Now that is the last one. What is superlative adjective? So here first of all let us learn, we use superlative adjectives to compare 3 or more people, things or more places. So whenever, not 2, because for 2 we are using comparative degree. So if 3 will be there or more than 3 will be there, means many. If one person is being compared with many or more than 3 or 3 or more than 3, then we can use the superlative degree. Like यहाँ पे example is that the ant is the smallest among all, means among all the creatures, whatever creatures and animals and birds are there, ant is the smallest one. So here we are comparing ant not with the another ant or not with the another animal, but with all of them, all the animals, all the birds and all the insects. तो सब में सबसे छोटी कौन होती है बेटा? ant होती है. So we can write it like that, the ant is the smallest among all. सब में सबसे छोटी कौन है? ant. Means here we are comparing the ant with so many ants, with so many animals at the same time. Okay, so that is why only we have used or est form of the adjective small. इसीलिए हमने यहाँ पे कौन सा फॉर्म यूज किया है? est, because it is showing you that this sentence is in superlative degree. Means in superlative we are comparing the nouns with 3 or more than 3 nouns. Whatever nouns are there, it may be people, it may be things or animals or places, whatever, but we are comparing the nouns with 3 or more than 3 nouns. Okay, next second example, the elephant is the heaviest, means the elephant is the heaviest creatures on the earth. सबसे heavy में सबसे जिसका वजन सबसे ज़्यादा होता है वो कौन होता है? एलिफेंट होता है. एंड द एयरप्लेन इज द मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव. हियर देखो, वॉट एवर मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशंस आर देयर, नो डाउट एयरवे इज देयर, वाटरवे इज देयर, रोडवे इज देयर. ओके, वॉट एवर वेज ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन इज देयर, इन दैट एयरप्लेन इज द मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव. हियर देखो, for expensive, expensiest has not been used because it is not possible. For expensive we cannot use est form. For that you have to add most before that word. जैसे हम comparative में आगे क्या add करते थे? more. वैसे ही superlative में क्या add करेंगे? most. So beautiful will become most beautiful. Careful will become most careful. Expensive will become most expensive. आई बात समझ में? Your airplane is compared with so many airplanes or so many transportation ways, means of transportation. बहुत जगह से हम ये क्या कर सकते हैं ना, हम ट्रैवल कर सकते हैं. तो जितने भी हम ट्रैवल, जिस लाइक थ्रू वैन्स और थ्रू ट्रेन्स और थ्रू बसेस, थ्रू एयरप्लेन्स, इन सब में सबसे ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव कौन सा है बेटा? एयरप्लेन. बिकॉज इफ़ यू विल ट्रैवल थ्रू एरोप्लेन देन यू हैव टू पे मोर. आपको ज़्यादा पे करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज एरोप्लेन इज द मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव वेज ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन. Okay, so here we are comparing this with many ways of transportation. We are comparing aeroplane with many ways of the transportation, that is the roadways, waterways. ठीक है, this way we are comparing the aeroplane. So that is why we can say that aeroplane is the most expensive. So here also we are using superlative degree. देखो here some of the example, more example are there. Tall, taller. Here also देखो tall में देखो TALL, tall is there. Okay, so double L will be remain same, taller and tallest. Fat will become fatter and fattest. High will become higher and highest. Low will become lower, lowest. Okay, easily, more easily and most easily. Here irregular form of easy is there. So easily के लिए what do you have to use? You have to use more easily and most easily, as est and er form of that adjective is not possible. Okay, now little, less and least, this is an irregular form of an adjective, because little में er form is also not possible, even more little is also not possible. For that we are changing the adjective. We will be writing less in comparative degree and we will be writing least in superlative degree also. Okay, now large will become larger, largest, fast will become faster and fastest. Okay, so this way you have to remember. देखो some irregular form also I have given. Good, better, the best. Bad, worse, the worst. Many, more, the most. Much का होगा more, the most. Far का होगा farther and farthest. That you have to remember. Okay, and further का होगा the furthest. Okay, so this way you have to remember the irregular form of the adjective. Okay, I hope now your concept has been cleared. Okay, I am going to share the video very soon. Okay, till then your ma'am is signing off. Beta, just I know that you have written the doubts also. In the next I am going to solve your doubts. Okay, till then bye bye beta, have a good day.